Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home. So in today's video I'll be doing this beautiful soft glam makeup look by using all drugstore products, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. I'm already done with moisturizing my face, so I'm just gonna quickly moisturize my lips by using this lip oil lip balm sort of thing. I really like this one. It moisturizes my lips and also gives some color to it. So yeah, next I'm moving on to a primer, and today I'm using a color correcting primer. This is by K Beauty. I'm gonna take a very small amount, warm it up between my fingers, and only dab on those areas where I need it the most. I recently got this skin tint from Just Herbs, and today I'm using it on my skin instead of using any foundation or concealer. Skin tints are very much on trend right now, and currently I'm using this one only because this is very lightweight and it looks really nice on the skin, and also this is a perfect match. And if you are someone who don't like using a heavyweight foundation or concealer on everyday basis, then a skin tint is your best friend. Now, it doesn't provide a lot of coverage, it just makes your skin look even toned. Use a very little bit of it and don't use too much, otherwise it might look cakey, but it gives a beautiful finish to the skin. It looks very glowy and dewy that I absolutely love. Then to set the cream products on place, you definitely need a loose powder, and I really like the K Beauty one because this is under budget. It looks really nice on the skin. It's very lightweight and it's so finely made, doesn't cake up or doesn't dry out my under eyes, so I absolutely love it. Next, I'm using a compact powder. You can use whatever you have. Today I'm using it because I recently got it from Just Herbs and I quite like it. So here what I'm doing is I'm just applying a little bit on the perimeters of my face, and also use a little bit on your forehead, on your neck, so that your face and your neck looks like one piece. Now moving on to the face, and I recently bought this Milani all-in-one eye, cheek and face palette from Nykaa. First I'm using the bronzer shade from this palette and giving some warmth and structure back to my face, and I really like the quality of this bronzer. This is matte and it looks beautiful on the skin. Then taking the blush shade from this palette, and this is a beautiful matte blush, and this is gonna look beautiful on Indian skin tone, and this is super matte, okay, it doesn't have any sheen to it, and this blush is super pigmented. It blends beautifully on the skin and looks really nice on the skin, as you guys can see. And here I have the swatches for you. You guys can see this is how the bronzer and the blush looks like. Next I have the blush topper from this palette, and oh my god, this looks so beautiful on the skin. It just makes your skin look glistening. Like, look at that, it looks stunning on the skin. Moving on to the highlighter shade from this palette, and this is a really good pigmented highlighter and I really liked it. I like applying it with my finger, but the only drawback is it comes with a very small shimmer or glitter chunks to it, which I don't like. Otherwise the highlighter looks stunning on the skin. It just makes your skin look wet. Coming to the brows, and today I'm using a tinted brow gel. This is from Essence and this is a really good brow gel. So first what I'm doing is I'm applying the brow mascara like this on the opposite direction of my brow hair growth, and this is how my brows are gonna get the maximum color payoff. And then I'm gonna apply it on the direction of my brows, as you guys can see. Next, I'm using a brow pencil. You can use whatever you have, and with the help of its spoolie, I'm brushing my brow hairs on the upwards direction and also filling in the gaps if I have any. This palette also comes with 3 different eyeshadows, and this is how it looks like. First, I'll be taking this brown shade from this palette and apply it all over my crease. And also I'm gonna connect it with my nose contour and slightly contour my nose with the help of this brown shade. Next, taking this pinky nude shade, this is such a beautiful shade, and applying it as my transition shade just to blend everything in. Next, taking this beautiful shimmery shade from this palette and applying it all over my eyelid, and look at that, how stunning it looks on the eyes. Taking the same eyeshadow brush and just blending everything in so that everything looks nice and seamless. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a good layer of mascara, and I'm using 2 mascaras today. The first one is the Mars mascara. Sorry to break your heart, I'm just being honest here. I'm not a big fan of this mascara, but I recently got this Essence mascara from Nykaa, and oh my god, I really liked it. This is so affordable but so good quality. It separates my lashes, gives me length and volume. I loved it. Then with the help of the highlighter shade, I'm just gonna quickly highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Moving on to the lips, and today I'm using a tinted liquid lip balm. You can use any lipstick that you like. I'm loving this one lately, and I wanted this look to be very nice and natural. So what I'm doing is I'm running my beauty blender all over my face just to take out all that powderiness that I have on my skin, and added a little more blush on the cheeks. So yeah, with that, that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. All of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, or if you find this video helpful. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost